Welcome, in front of me is a REALME C11, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, obviously you want to open up your settings application. From here, scroll all the way down and you'll find system and a little bit of a higher position than it should be. And in here, you'll have reset options. So from here you can select erase all data, factory reset, which will bring this little window right here, letting you know that performing this will remove everything that is listed right here. Now, to be fair, there's only a couple things that are important, like music, photos, and user data. Everything else is recoverable based on just either downloading the apps or logging into whatever it is. So yeah, that being said, if you want to keep any of the three things that I mentioned before, music, photos, or user data, although photos also might be stored in the cloud, so it just depends how you store yours. But yeah, if you want to keep those, make sure that you have a copy of it. And once you have it, or maybe you just don't want to make a copy of it, select erase all data. And if you have some kind of pattern, PIN, password on your device, you will need to confirm it right here. As you can see, I do have a pattern. Once you confirm it, again select erase all data, and this will now begin the process. So this will take probably a couple minutes, and once it's finished, we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.